Watch Rimac Nevera destroy Ferrari SF90. This thing is crazy. The Rimac Nevera is the fastest production electric car ever, and no one can match it. Brooks of the DragTimes YouTube channel was lucky enough to get behind the wheel of the world's fastest production electric car, the Rimac Nevera. And what better way to test the car than on the Auto Sport Audria track in Croatia? The Rimac Nevera uses a 120 kWh battery pack, and for motors that produce a total of 1,914 horsepower and 1,725 pounds-ft of torque. Last year, Rimac's electric hypercar set dozens of new records, including a 0 to 60 time of 1.7 seconds and a top speed of 258 miles per hour. The car also recently broke the previous EVE lap record at the Nürburgring. Production is limited to just 150 units and prices start at over $2 million, so don't expect to own one of these. Regular car enthusiasts like us can only admire from afar. The race featured in this video is against a Ferrari SF90 that uses 3 electric motors and produces 986 horsepower. Against other competitors, this PHEV will have very impressive specifications. However, the poor Ferrari didn't stand a chance against the Nevera. From the moment Brooks' foot hit the accelerator, the car shot forward. Oh shit, this car is crazy, oh my. In the rematch, they gave the SF90 a pretty big jump on the Rimac, partly to make the race a little fairer. But if we're being honest, the crew probably just wanted to get some video footage of the Nevera from the front. It didn't take long for Rimac to surge ahead in the quarter mile. Just look at how easily Rimac is able to quickly pass the SF90. It's absolutely insane. There's something extraordinary going on here. The Rimac Nevera did several races that day, including against a Lamborghini, although only the race against the Ferrari was filmed. Although exact timing details are limited, the Rimac Nevera consistently took the win. This car was running in the low 8 south in the quarter mile, turning around on only 50% battery. When put into track mode, this car will crush any production car out there with its blistering acceleration and incredible handling and braking. If you had more money than you knew what to do with, what crazy electric production car would you spend it on? Let us know in the comments below.